Cixi Yikang is a professional factory with 7 years of production experience. Located in Cixi City, Base Electrical Household Appliances Manufacturing, Zhejiang Province, China. Our main products include many small household appliances, foot massager, electronic heating and cooling box, and car refrigerator. That by 70 workers, we can provide 30,000 pieces each month, and delivery date is 15 to 40 days. Our refrigerator can both be used for home and car, fashion design, custom color, logo customization, single-double core selection. Based on the spirit of high-quality, excellent service and development, we take the concept of high-quality products, reasonable prices, and considerate services, and aim at health, green, and environmental protection, market-oriented and consumer demand-oriented. We have strict quality inspection specifications and inspection systems, a set of sound raw material standard inspection, production process inspection, and product warehousing inspection. We strictly test the power, pressure resistance, leakage, and safety of each product, process detection, and final detection. According to these inspection standards, we guarantee that every product of our customers is qualified and safe. We have numerous quality certifications, 3C, CE, CQC, and ISO 9001 for global market. Our customers come from all over the world. Next, welcome to enjoy the photos of our products, and then select the products you are interested in.